Today we're going to show you a fast and easy fun craft for kids. Are you guys excited? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have some toilet paper rolls here, and we're going to glue them together. Oops, our glue fell out. I think our glue didn't want to work for us today. Okay, so we're going to glue.
That's silly.
That's silly. We're going to hot glue our two toilet paper rolls together. Do you know what we're making?
What?
Leprechaun goggles.
Leprechaun goggles.
That way you guys are leprechaun binoculars. That way you guys can find some leprechauns outside. Okay, so then we have these glued together. We're going to put them down here. I cut strips of felt beforehand and just laid them out. And then we're just going to lay a strip of hot glue. We're just going to fold them over.
Ooh, blue.
Yeah, what's your favorite color, Maverick?
Blue and red.
Blue and red. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing. You like pink, Bunny?
Mm-hmm. This is pink.
Good job. This is a really good craft for preschoolers, kindergartners, or just any kid that's excited about St. Patrick's Day. Okay, there you go. There's your leprechaun binoculars.
I like to see.
What do you think? Do you like them?
Yes!
Are you going to find some leprechauns?
Mm.
All right. Take about 30 seconds and the kids will have fun for a couple hours.